Okay, here's our peach tree update. Still alive, dwarf peach trees, probably like close to 5 feet tall now, and it's not dead. A lot of growth, but this is the new growth. This is not the growth you're gonna see for getting fruit. Right, I'll show you how the leaves look when they're a little bit more mature. They look like this. And actually, look, here's a peach. There's a peach on our little tree. But yeah, the leaves are gonna look like this when they're more mature. These are all these first year leaves, new growth, and in my experience, I do not see much fruit on trees of this age, or not of this age, but you know, of this growth stage, because these are old trees. I think 3 years old now, but trimmed way back. So if I get fruit this year, I'll be lucky. The main goal is just to keep them alive. You see how these leaves look different? These are all our young boys, young leaves. Yeah, looks like a little rot right there, but we'll see. We'll see what happens. Not dead yet.